Hey y'all, time for a new video. Maybelline just expanded its shade range, so we're going to test out this Instant Age Rewind Concealer and see if they got it right for us brown girls. I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the product. This is a very good drugstore concealer, I will say. It's comparable to my Bobbi Brown concealer in texture. It's not as nice as that, but it's very much comparable. And for a drugstore concealer that costs $8, I would say it's definitely a buy for me. I would recommend it. I can only speak for myself when it comes to the colors that they offer in the new shade expansion. I think they did a good job for my skin tone. I have very yellow undertones with brown skin, which seems to present a problem with brands, but I will say they got it right. This was not too pink. It was not too red or too orange either. I used the color and I think it looks good. It blended well with the rest of my foundation. My under eye color does not look crazy, so it worked out for me. Now I think Maybelline, y'all reached a little bit with the claims about this puffiness because it did not combat any puffiness. I have under eye bags, you can see them, and this concealer did not do anything more than any other concealer does to combat those. So for me, I do what I always do to cover my under eye bags. I had to do the same thing with this concealer. So I think that might just be like a marketing thing or kind of a gimmicky thing for them. I don't have dark circles and also claims to combat that, so I can't speak on that. But as for the puffiness, that was a no for me. Okay y'all, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, if there's anything I missed or anything you want me to address that I didn't cover in this video, please leave it below and I will get back to you guys. As always, thank you for watching, supporting, and subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, please think about hitting that subscribe button before you leave. Also, follow me on my other social media platforms. I will leave them here for you guys. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. And until next time, y'all, bye.